Okay, how y'all doing? Right, we've got a wee unboxing to do from the company OctoGrip, which is fantastic for project one length. This is a close-up of them. OctoGrip, and you can see the pattern. And the reason they're called Octo is the grip promotes grip and spin, and obviously the design is that of the suckers of an octopus. You can see it's got both sides, which is what we're on about. So it's got real traction on it, traction on the top. So the chances of you like re-gripping or losing your grip and then, you know, twisting it off the line is very unlikely with these. See that there's various colours in here. There's a couple of themed putter grips. I'll show you one of these putter grips up close just now. It's a couple of themed grips. You can see they can theme the top. It's quite cool, and it's obviously in the Rangers colours with the Octo, same design. You can see that the grip and the traction. And that's a nice blue with the orange cap. And then it's got Rangers ready. And then on the front, same, very cool. And there's some navy ones. I've put one of these on already. I've also put a putter grip on. This is what you would call pretty big. These are really interesting. The feel on these is really quite interesting. I'll show you that just now. Balance wise, still really balanced. You can see that there. This was never face balanced, but so you can see that it hangs toe down even though it's centre shafted. But it's a very nice grip. So I'll be taking these to the course tomorrow, show you them on the course, and first hit with them tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, so I don't know if that actually recorded that. Right, so this is fitted onto a fairway wood. You can see there the last three fingers of your lead hand with these suckers, stroke, like octopus idea. That's the whole thing with this. So check them out for yourself. We'll put more of them on, testing them tomorrow. Hopefully meet the designer up at St Andrews. So hope to see everybody soon on the course with an update on these grips. Thanks for watching.